Hi guys, I thought you guys liked my last video. Please give it a big thumbs up. I hope you like fidget toys. If you do, I'm getting this push away. It made out of jeans. And I got this doggy bone for Target. I want you to one now. It's a challenge show. You ready? Done. The taste is really bad. Do you know what it tastes like? It tastes really gross. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't, please give it a thumbs up. And I will get all your videos a thumbs up. So if you want to subscribe to me, I'm getting a fidget toy away. So please subscribe and this time make it to 3. I don't know why. Just get on the video. Bye! Look it on the video. So do you know how every people have what they call fidget. Now I have the galaxy one. I don't know why I have a galaxy one, but it's just to spin. You can do cool tricks with it. So that's my fidget spinner. Comment down below if you have one. Bye. Mwah.